So a one-story Laurel Glen Grasslands home doesn't come on the market very often, and this one is on a corner lot, totally renovated. I'm at my open house now. It has been non-stop since a little before 12. I finally got a breakdown, and I get to show you what Larson Inspection donated to this open house in Grasslands. First, let me show you how beautiful this home is. Again, it's a one-story Laurel Glen home, and check this out. Larson Inspections made this board for me for my open house. They happen to be doing an inspection, two of them, today in Grasslands. These are homemade cannoli cookies. Look at that. Caitlin made those, and we want to say thank you so much to Caitlin, and thank you, William, for providing all this food for the open house. And I got my Fiji water, and here is the MLS sheet for 2569 Laurel Glen Drive in Lakeland in Grasslands. It just hit the market, and like I said, the buyers came in nonstop a little before 12. I just got a break now, so I'm doing this quick tour. And also I just wanted to thank Larson Inspections for providing all this food. The buyers loved it, and they love this home. It is so gorgeous. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, plus it has a den. Look at this. The seller is so talented. She took down these doors and put these antique panels on here. Look how beautiful that is. And let me show you this beautiful bathroom. Here are the, here's the guest bathroom. Look how pretty this is. And it has a spa tub in here. And then you have 2 bedrooms back here. Look at the travertine flooring. And then you have this office back here. This is another bedroom. The garage is an oversized garage, and that can fit a 1500 Ram truck in here. This is custom built in. Look at this, with the electric fireplace with those gems. Okay, and then moving here, you have the primary bedroom. This is in Grasslands, Lakeland, Florida. This is going for $629,000. Look how deep this closet is. This is the primary bathroom with the double vanities, big walk-in, double closets. Okay, so now let's take a look at the lanai. Again, this is on a corner lot. Look at this. I love this tile flooring out here. This is so peaceful out here. And look at the water view back there. Do you see it? You got a beautiful awning here. And then you could see the fountain in the pond. You have fenced in yard here. And then you have all that yard beyond that, which is HOA property. So it's a big corner lot. So I'm Elizabeth Willers, and thank you for stopping by at my open house. See you soon. And thanks again, Larson Inspection, for all those goodies.